Hello, my name is Keerthana M. I have completed the graduation in the year of 2023 in the stream of computer science and engineering. After my graduation, I didn't find a right path to set my career. I have completed 6 months without a job in Bangalore. After that, one of my friend he suggested me about the Evision. He also got placed in that company, so he suggested me the 45 days program. He given one contact HR number of the Evision. I have contacted the HR. They guided me very well and they are explained what are the courses they are offering. I have enrolled one of the course, networking course. In that I have learnt about CCNA, networking, Windows administration and so many things. After completion of 45 days, they have started giving the placements. Now I have completed the 45 days program and I have got placement also. I have now I have placed in one of the reputed company called CMS and the client is government. Uh, this is about my success story of the vision. Thank you one and all.